Ever dreamed of working with clients across the globe? The internet has opened doors to a world of freelance and business opportunities, but getting paid internationally can be a nightmare. Frustrating fees, slow transfers, and a maze of currency conversions can leave you feeling like you're being nickel and dimed at every turn. The heroes, sort of Payoneer and Airwallex. That's where companies like Payoneer and Airwallex step in. They offer international payment solutions, promising to simplify the process and get your hard-earned cash in your hands faster. But with so many options, choosing the right platform can be confusing. Fear not, intrepid freelancer or international business owner. Today, we'll be diving deep into the world of Payoneer versus Airwallex, breaking down their features, fees, and what makes each one tick. Round 1, Features. In the feature corner, both Payoneer and Airwallex throw some heavy punches. Multi-currency accounts. Both platforms allow you to hold and manage funds in multiple currencies, saving you from the ever-fluctuating exchange rates when dealing with international clients. International payments. Sending and receiving international payments is their bread and butter. Both platforms offer ways to get paid by clients and pay freelancers or suppliers overseas. Physical products. This is where things get interesting. Payoneer offers a debit MasterCard that allows you to access funds at ATMs or make purchases worldwide. Airwallex, on the other hand, focuses purely on digital transactions. The feature feint, who wins? This round is a close call. While Payoneer's physical debit card adds convenience, Airwallex might be a better fit if you prioritize managing your finances entirely online. Round 2, Fees. Now, we enter the grudge match of fees. Here's where things can get tricky. Payoneer. Payoneer charges a few different fees depending on the transaction type. They have a flat fee for receiving funds from marketplaces, a percentage-based fee for receiving bank transfers, and a separate fee for currency conversions. Additionally, ATM withdrawals and international POS transactions incur further charges. Airwallex takes a different approach. They boast zero transaction fees, but their foreign exchange rates might include a hidden markup. It's crucial to compare the effective exchange rate you get with both platforms before making a decision. The fee fumble, who wins? Airwallex seems to have the upper hand here with their zero transaction fees. However, remember to factor in the potential hidden markup in their exchange rates. Payoneer might be a better option if you frequently receive funds from marketplaces with their flat fee structure. Round 3, Supported locations and currencies. This round is all about reach. Both platforms have a global presence, but there might be slight variations. Payoneer boasts a presence in over 200 countries and territories and supports over 150 currencies. Airwallex operates in over 130 countries and supports over 50 currencies. The reach rumble, who wins? Payoneer takes the crown here with wider global coverage and more supported currencies. The final decision, it depends. So, who wins the Payoneer versus Airwallex battle? The truth is, it depends on your specific needs. Choose Payoneer if you value the convenience of a physical debit card, frequently receive funds from marketplaces, or operate in a country not served by Airwallex. Choose Airwallex if you prioritize transparent, low fees, conduct most of your business online, and operate in a country covered by their platform. Remember, always do your research, compare fee structures and exchange rates, and choose the platform that best suits your international payment needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.